Hello, I'm Claire, the Oily Witch, and I wanted to talk about my Introduction to Witchcraft course. This is a 7-part course that can either be taught one-to-one and include spiritual counseling as we go through to really help you embody what you're learning, understanding what blockages might be in your way, or I can teach it to you as a small group if you've got some friends you'd like to do it with. It can be taught online or face-to-face. It really doesn't compromise it if it is online because we're energetic beings. Spirit can get access to us, so don't have any concerns about that compromising the quality of it. I put this course together because this island is so magical. There is so much magic here. And most of us have, because magic has been allowed to exist in other cultures, look to beyond the shores of Britain to understand spirituality and what it means to connect. And there is a need to return and understand what our practices are, what there is in this land, what magical flowers there are, how we harmonize with the moon, the seasons, what they all mean, our native trees, how we write spells, how we work out, are we a witch or aren't we? You know, where's our spirituality? Where's it at? What does that even mean? Women have been largely absent from religion for at least 2,000 years, and this imbalance is now correcting. So this course is going to help you to understand the history, understand where you fit into all of this, and how to get that kind of that part of you integrated again, awakened and integrated in a way that makes sense to you. Because, like everything, it is not one size fits all. You have to work out what it means to you and how you wish to progress with it so that you can keep moving forward with it, developing with it, etc. If you've got any further questions, I'll be happy to answer them. Just get in touch.